Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, ma'am, but a little bit speak in English.
It's okay. So as long as you can understand and you can communicate, is we don't have a problem. Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go in Middle East?
I chose Malaysia because it's the same time in Philippines, and my first time is I would like to work in Malaysia. I don't like another country.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Orlin Lundayan. I'm 29 years old. We have we have five in the family. I have three children. I I want to work in Malaysia because for my family.
Okay, so Orlin, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
I don't have, ma'am.
For passporting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
October 24 to 1995.
Are you single or married?
I'm married, ma'am, but I don't I I'm married.
You are married, okay?
Yeah.
So what is your height and your weight?
My height is 155. My weight is 60.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm undergraduate in high school.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got three children. Can I know how old are those children?
My oldest 11 years old, my middle is 10 years old, and the youngest one is 3 years old, ma'am.
3 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is your family allow you or your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My husband, ma'am,
How
because
old is your husband and what is his occupation?
my husband is 30 years old, 31 years old.
Okay?
Her occupation is construction worker, ma'am.
Construction worker. Okay.
Yes,
So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines way back 2021 to 2024 for 3 years. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines is it?
Cebu.
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 Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Cebu?
I'm a house worker in Cebu, ma'am. I can do washing clothes. I can do washing clothes,
Okay.
uh, ironing, cleaning house, and others, ma'am.
You do
Other,
house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children or any elderly there
Yes, ma'am.
in Cebu?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what kind of yes? Is it you take your children or elderly?
Elderly, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care in Cebu?
20?
Oh, okay. Okay, so it's not elderly, okay? So it means you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing only, okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
finish your contract. What happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer?
Ano, ma'am, I'm stop working for go to in abroad, like
Okay.
Malaysia.
So being a domestic helper, most especially this is your first time working abroad, is very hard. You know that domestic helper is very tough job, right? So you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
clean the entire house, you need to rest very late at night. Your foods also, you need to, you need to adjust yourself because this is not the Philippines. So
Yes.
homesickness will frequently attack you, most especially this is your first time working abroad. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready, ma'am.
Okay. So can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't afraid of any dogs or cats?
No, ma'am. I'm not afraid.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Once
Okay.
you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only, after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day also, you're entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
I am sure, ma'am.
I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing because in our initial interview, you already inform us and you also agree about our rules and regulations, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that you are working quite far away from your family?
I will focus on my work, ma'am.
Focus on your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to embrace the struggle. You need to embrace the pain. Okay, you need to work properly. You need to work hard. You always remind yourself why you wanted to work, and come abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so always also remind yourself, I always remind every candidates or workers going abroad that this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. We need to follow the culture of each other's country, okay? So you will be working for 2 years inside the employer's premises. All you need to do, any concerns, any problems, you inform your employer directly. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I give you a scenario. What will you do if your employer is angry with you, but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do? Like for example, you didn't do anything wrong. You just work properly, but still your employer get angry with you. What will you do?
I am just explain, ma'am.
You will just explain. So will you answer back your employer or what?
I am not answering my employer.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Orlean. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Bye.